Here we have Nintendo Switch Lite, and the customer said the A button stopped working for some reason. I will try to check it today and see what's going on exactly. Yep, the A button is not working. Let me see another button. All working. Oh, it's working, but it's not like perfect. So I will try to fix it today. As you can see, guys, I already opened the board, and let's see what I can do for that. Oh, you see. Okay, let's see. I think this is not the problem. So I tried to clean it using isopropyl alcohol, and I hope it's working. They have nothing here. Right. Let's try to test. Oh yeah, it's still good. Still good condition. We will return all the part back, and I will test. I will try to test it before I close. Alright, the A button is working. For watching. If you like my video, please don't forget